going to go now into the Reiki symbols. In the Reiki tradition, with Usui Reiki, there are 5 Reiki symbols. Traditionally, these symbols would have begun with the 2nd level. So the first symbols that you'll be learning are considered 2nd level or 2nd degree Reiki symbols, since they didn't introduce the symbols until the 2nd level. And the preferred way I teach, I like to have symbols in the 1st level as well, so I split those apart. And the symbols you'll learn today, you could already start to apply those in your Reiki treatments, doing self-Reiki. The first symbol is called Choku-rei. The Choku-rei symbol can be drawn 2 different ways. Either like that, or the reverse way, which is like that. So if we have those 2 different ways, they mean the same thing. You would be just picking which one feels more natural for you. And the meaning of the symbol is actually to turn on the power or activate the light. So this symbol is called the power symbol. Or the light switch. The symbol can be used in a few different ways. The first way is to trace the symbol like I just did. So you would be using your hand and tracing it in the air like that. And this is about the intention of what the symbol represents. So when you're tracing it in the air, you could be also visualizing it. You could also be saying the name of the symbol to yourself. And we can invoke the symbol through those methods as well, by using the name of the symbol. Some people like to chant it or repeat it 3 times, and by visualizing it. So you don't have to always trace the symbol to use the symbol. This symbol can be used anytime you want to get more energy flowing. So it's commonly used to start out a treatment, since you want to get the energy flowing and going through your hands at the beginning of the Reiki treatment. But any other time you want to increase the input or inflow of energy, you could go ahead and invoke this symbol again. There isn't a time that you have to use the symbol. There isn't a time that you can't use the symbol. So the way I present it, it's really very much up to you how and when you want to apply the symbols, as long as it's for that intention. Any questions so far on the Choku-rei symbol? This brings us to the 2nd symbol now. This symbol is called Seihei-ki. The Seihei-ki symbol is used for emotional healing. So you can think of it as a symbol that represents supporting a calm mind, calm spirit. This symbol can be used also by tracing it, by visualizing it, or by stating or thinking the name of the symbol. This one is typically used when you have an emotional issue, or you're feeling or sensing the person you're working with has some type of stress or anxiety, something going on emotionally. And that could be done any time during a session where you feel that's coming up or called for. Okay. So these are the first two symbols that I present. I teach these here in the first level. The handout I gave you has also the third, second level Reiki symbol, which I don't teach until level 2. That symbol will represent distance healing, which is something that you're actually learning about in the second level class. So are there any other questions at this point on the Chokurei or the Seiheki symbol?
No, I'm gonna write that.
Okay.
And that one was light power, the other one?
The Chokurei? Right, that one means turning on the light or the power symbol.